Yo, what's up? We are in Padma, actually in Legian Padma, and actually we are in the hotel of Padma. As you see, this is the pool facing the beach and everything. And we need summer there, trying to organize if we can have any day pass or something like that, when as many hotels have a promos like this. Full situation. There are some tourists here, as you see, and you can see the Legian beach from here actually. Also at the front, exactly over here, is the Erika Warung where I was many times. Hi Sayan, how is the negotiations?
I don't know, I'm still waiting there.
Okay. Also down there is another pool, the big pool, main pool of the Padma Hotel. Sayang is talking by the phone with someone. Unfortunately, this lady don't know anything about that, so we will see. Meanwhile, I'm gonna show you one more time. So eventually the offer of the pool pass is 150k. This is a little bit too ambitious to compare to the other places. We decided we're gonna have a Radler in the Warung. It's always the best, right honey?
Yeah.
This is the entrance to the Legian beach, just next to the Padma Hotel as always. And this is the Warung Erika. Erika was the star on our vlogs many times. I'm not sure actually if she's today. Because normally she will already call me, but maybe not today. We'll see actually this beautiful sunset. Actually oh, our fans, hello, how are you guys?
The dome? Yeah.
In Dome, yeah.
It's beautiful. Oh, is this Santorini or Bali?
Yes, Santorini or Bali, exactly.
How are you guys? I'm good.
Check this out. Erika, how are you? Yeah, long time not been here. Oh, hug. That's how it looks, the beach in Legian. Yo, what's up, my friend?
We're just talking about you.
Yeah,
Monkey family.
monkey family here, yeah. That's good. This girl don't wanna be like no problem. Always good vibes actually, to be honest. Always good vibes. Check this out, the beautiful sunset gonna be in very soon. And look at this wee doggo here. Sayang already get changed. She gonna swim or play in the ocean. Check this out. Sexy, isn't it? Alright, so we are in the Warung Erika. We met some other lovely fans. Everybody knows us here actually like a star little bit.
And then because Erika doesn't have a toilet, and I asked Erika where should I go. And then I changed behind the black thing, and then I was
behind the crates of the Bintang Queen has changed into her bikini, like a local people normal thing.
Oh, look at that beautiful sunset behind me. This is what I love, going to Legian Beach, more peaceful, and then, when you come, hi, everybody, greeting you,
So,
friendly.
eventually even better as we didn't got the pass in the hotel. Yeah. This is actually a good vibe here. Okay, honey, you wanna swim? I will show you a little bit around this, honey.
Yes.
Check this out. It's very low tide, but little bit of water on the sun. And Sayang, and this beautiful sunset. And life is beautiful in Legian, right? And check this out, these waves, so powerful. And the kids playing here. Ooh. Ooh. Check this out, so cool. Beautiful, isn't it? So there is the 66, and I talked with the Erika why 66 is more famous than here, and that's because of the hotel, Bakso, and La Plancha, basically the trend, and Kuta Legian is a little bit more old style, old school, and it's a little bit less popular. So sad, yeah, but yeah, that's how it is. How is the Canggu, how is the Seminyak, more busier than Kuta Legian, and sun actually remains the same. That's the beautiful. Check this out, this water, this waves, so cool. Sayang, be careful lah. He's playing in the ocean. Meanwhile, I would like to say a few words from the updates for the past few days, few weeks. It's big wind. I don't know where should I face my camera so it'll be better. I will face the camera into Winnie and sunset because yeah, that's much better than my face, I think. And second thing, I spoke with Putu last time when we was in Kuta giving the food to the kid in the slums. She was so happy. The company got so many donations from you guys, definitely from our vlog, which is I'm so proud of you guys. And thank you for everything. I also want to thank you for the few people who support us on the service. Buy me a coffee for the Jimny or for the new car in the future. I never asked you for that, but you still keeping doing this time to time. I would like to just say thank you so much, as we have so lovely audience on our channel. Check this out, that's the Winnie style of chilling. Oh, honey. So nice, isn't it? Yeah, no rubbish anymore, that's true.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's really nice. So happy with them.
It's already unfortunately after sunset. Anyway, cheers guys. I hope so one day we will enjoy beer, radler, normal, straight, cola, coconut, whatever anyone like together, and we will just having memories from these bad times, what is now in the past year, and I hope so that's gonna happen soon. Cheers guys. It was a little bit windy, actually it is windy, but I think it's warm, yeah?
Yeah, it's you know, it's low tide, and then yeah, it's very nice to have a dip in the ocean. I feel not scared actually, but yeah, it's so nice. I can't swim, but yeah.
That's so nice.
Oh, look at the sun. So nice.
So nice color of the sky and
Bali life.
Honey, what are you doing? So nice. My pants, my wallet, my phone. Yes, I got it, honey. Working with the bikini through the sunur like a local people, like a tourist actually, not local. Not many local do like this. Where is my singer guy actually? Yeah, what's up? I found you. Okay, take care, yeah? Okay, one more shot. Yeah, the monkey. Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Take care next time, yeah? Oh my god, I'm so famous here in Legian already. This is Bali Mandira, by the way. We are heading now to Azure Beach Club. It's actually quite busy here because the hotel is open right now, actually I hear. And yeah, the beach club is like this. We was actually here, especially I was here many times. But yeah, long time wasn't. But music inside, I don't know how I'm gonna make a vlog. Anyway, check this out, Legian Beach and Legian vibes. Alright, we are in the club, as you see, ocean over there. Not so busy in the club itself. Have a beautiful Sayang is today little bit on fire. She already gonna go to jacuzzi, I think, or to the pool jump. Yeah, but that's how it is. Beautiful vibes and cool vibes. Oh honey, you already jump again? Alright, enjoy honey, yeah?
Yes.
Check this out, that beautiful color of the sky. Check this out. So cool vibes today in Legian. Yes honey?
Honey, this place no minimum spend lah.
Oh, much better than the Fatma Hotel lah. Here we go, like I said, Winnie already jumped to the jacuzzi. Check this out. Chilling?
So good.
You want me to feel like I wanna jump also, you know?
So yeah, I think that nowadays there are many people staying in Bali Mandira Hotel because they sell the package for the Lebaran 600k per night. So good. Okay, so after we had a swim and chill by the pool and the ocean, now we decided to have a dinner, and they have a very nice promo. All you can eat for 100k.
The place is Legion or something like that. Legion. I don't know. The new place in Legian anyway, so let's check this out. What is it? Oh, hello. How are you? Nice wood.
All right. So because when we were there and the promo actually already time out, and we just decided to go to another restaurant.
Yeah,
Much affordable food.
yeah, we just late actually 30 minutes. Can you imagine that? But yeah, that's how it is. All right, so that's how it looks. This is the flipper shop and the happy people here. Yo, what's up? And yeah, this is the pad thai. Not pad thai, but the pad bar and grill. And I was here and it was empty, and now it's empty again. That's so sad. Oh no, it's some guy over there actually. But only one person. Bamboo blonde. Ani, dresznia? No more. And this is the famous the Mama's German restaurant here. This restaurant used to be open 24/7. Can you imagine that? But unfortunately, right now, still after 1 year, remains totally closed. They put some metal fence over here. So, well, it's definitely not open 24/7, but it's not open at all, unfortunately. Yeah, but they have a new restaurant, I think, somewhere in the...
Oh, they have a new restaurant in the Jalan Bypass Murah Rai. It's called Das Bistro by
Das
Mamas.
Alright, so have a restaurant somewhere on the main road. And this is the Vietnamese kitchen. And I think we're gonna have a dinner here. Yes, honey, what do you think? Let's check this out. Little Vietnam in Bali. Looks nice, pretty decent, we will see. Alright, so this is the authentic Vietnamese cuisine. They have even Vietnamese coffee, which is not so bad. Also prices looks quite affordable, and I already see many nice things, but this ramen with beef looks so good. Yes, honey? And this is meanwhile the traffic. Yes, honey?
Yeah, and then along this Legian, this restaurant is the most busiest nowadays.
Yeah.
It's become high.
I will show you now. Also check this out. This is the story of the Vietnamese chef owner. So this is really authentic Vietnamese cuisine. So check this out. This is probably the one of the restaurants which is open and is so busy actually. Not paid endorsement, guys. Not any kind. But really happy with you. Interesting. Very interesting. Check this out. The full house inside. Very nice. Nearly I feel like in Vietnam. That's so cool. And check this out, this food and everything. So nice. Hello. As you see, it's quite busy. We are waiting already for food half hour, but it's full house and it's the traffic, like people have to park and reverse. It's so relaxing. Can you imagine after?
Finally, we can see traffic in Legian.
Yeah, after 370 videos of empty Legian, finally something happening. Alright, our po arrived. It's actually po, not ramen. Don't. Well, that was my mistake, but check this out. Everything looks so yummy. I'm so hungry already. And I don't know what is it, some kind of salad. And Sayang already eating.
Alright guys, I think that's all our video today from Legian.
Little bit hectic, but I hope so you enjoyed anyway.
Yeah, thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.